You can easily resolve the P0430 error code by replacing the damaged oxygen sensor by yourself. It means your catalyst system. Efficiency is below the threshold near engine bank 2, which indicates that the catalytic converter is not functioning efficiently, so the vehicle is increasing the output of harmful pollutants. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty catalytic converter. Malfunctioning downstream oxygen sensor on bank 2. Exhaust leaks. Damaged wiring related to the oxygen sensors. Issues with the air-fuel mixture. This video is going to show you a practical solution to fix the error code. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter and visually check the oxygen sensor electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. This engine code appears in Ford, Honda, Chevrolet, Nissan, Dodge, Toyota, and many other vehicles. So here are one of the most practical solutions to fix P0430 error code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.